He came to love, heal and forgive. He lived and died to buy my heart and empty graves and prove my Savior lives. Come on, because He lives, I can face